So, of course, your manifestations aren't working. You've been trying and trying for a long time, but it's just not happening. And you feel like it's a distant dream, like it's so much further away from you. And you're even starting to doubt in the whole concept of manifestation. Well, don't worry. We're going to solve that for you today. So, I know we throw this word around a lot, manifestation, manifest this, manifest that. And honestly, there are so many great teachers out there who have actually tried to impart you know, the intrinsic knowledge behind manifestation. It's although people consider it magic, it is sort of magic if you see it from a mystical lens, but it's also something that you can consciously do. Manifestation is sort of like any skill or art. You need to actually know how it works and then consciously try to, work it. It's like a muscle. You need to work it. So manifestation isn't just, thinking about something, visualizing it, and then boom, it's there. I mean, some people are natural manifestors. So yeah, they can actually do that. But even to them, it's not something that, even to them, it's not something that comes very easy. They have actually worked at it. They don't realize it. And they're just born with these skills and they have refined it over the years. So, we're going to talk about manifestation, what it is, how it works, and how you can actually bring about manifestations in your life. And if you're seeing a lag or that it's not working, we're going to solve that. So, basically, manifestation is when you are aligned to a specific dream or a goal in your timeline. Now, there are different timelines for you. And for example, you just feel like, okay, I want to be a doctor. Let's say that. You are manifesting a career in medicine. So it's not just that you visualize, you think about it, and you're like, okay, I just keep thinking about it and it's going to happen. No, there are a lot of different steps. The most common three steps that come with manifestation is you think about something that you want, you visualize it, you align your emotions, thoughts to it, not to the reality, to your vision. And the last step, that is the most important, which people forget, is then you let go. You don't keep hanging on to it. You don't keep checking, like, is it happening? Is it happening? Is it coming? Is it happening? No, you just let go. And then you shift your focus to something else so that you're not putting so much pressure and energy into it. And then let universe or law of attraction to handle it. That is basically the easiest way to explain the process of manifestation. But there are also certain things that you need to keep in mind. For example, one, you cannot possibly manifest something that deep down you don't entirely believe would actually happen for you. For example, on surface you're like, okay, I want to manifest $50,000. But deep down you don't feel like you can actually get that or deserve that or handle that in some way. It's not going to come true because you have deep down those doubts. And you can't fake energy. And you cannot fake energy or emotions. Like you can just say that you want something and then you're like, okay, I'm manifesting it. That's not how it works. If you're saying something but your emotions or your energy are actually contradicting it, it's not going to happen. You cannot fool law of attraction. You cannot fool the universe. And so it's very important to make sure that you are actually in alignment with what your dream or goal is. And one important part of manifestation is also aligned action. It's not just something that, okay, I've done the visualization, I've let go, but it's not happening. It's not just going to magically appear. I mean, you have to take aligned steps or actions. I'm not saying that, that you just have to keep hustling or working towards it. Take aligned action. That's the key word here. If you feel like you're drawn to do something, then do it. Also, if you're saying something and you don't really mean it, universe is not going to pay attention to what you're saying, but rather to how you are feeling about it or what your energy is trying to say. But yeah, that doesn't mean that your words do not matter. Affirmations and all of these things exist for a reason. They help to rewire our subconscious or limiting thoughts and beliefs. So, next time when you're trying to manifest something, write it down, visualize it in as much details as you can. All right? Try to see if you have any limiting beliefs towards it. Do you deep down believe that it can actually happen for you? And then let go and take aligned actions. So, once you take account of all these details and consciously try to manifest while taking aligned action and simultaneously letting go, not holding on to it tightly, then I promise that it is going to show up for you. And which is why manifestation is work. It requires skill, it requires practice. It's not something, you can just do. Unless obviously you're a natural manifester, then it would, you know, come easy to you in some way. But yeah, these are important steps and try to follow them. Let me know in the comment section down below what you're trying to manifest or if you need any more assistance in the process, and I would be happy to help you. And if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, then yeah, you can find the information in the description box below. So yeah, good luck with your manifestation.